This is the Sparden, a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with a customizable upstairs, a hidden walk-in pantry, and details that will make it truly one of a kind. In this tour, I'll walk you through everything, and stick around because at the end, I'll show you real designs I've done with clients in the past to finish the upstairs. All right, before I get too far into it, I do want to show y'all the foyer area. So this is when you first walk into the home. We do have an office that has French doors on it. It's a pretty big room. You could make this office or a little sunroom. On the other side, we do have a half bath with a pedestal sink. And we have the staircase, which we will be going upstairs, so stay tuned for that. Here is your main living area. So we do have a really nice, good-sized dining room right here. Could do a bigger table than that even. It's huge. Living room area. Very cute setup. We got the Crawford ceiling, which is an option. We got all this natural lighting. It's even got the transom windows above the window and patio door, putting off a lot of nice natural light. Living room area. All right, kitchen has a lot of little brownie points, I guess I could say. Some things that are very different that you don't typically see in most homes. I'll point those out for you. First and foremost, if you didn't notice, there's no outlets. No outlets, but you can't have a kitchen without outlets, right? So there are outlets. They're up under the cabinets. You got lighting up under there as well. Your light switches are up under there. And look how many there are. There's a ton of them, but it gives you more of a sleek, beautiful finished kitchen without seeing the outlets, which is very nice. They do offer granite and quartz. We got the big farm sink. They do offer the splits. Very pretty. Love the black hardware. Huge window seals. Getting over a cold, you guys, so apologies. We have adjustable shelving on the inside. They are soft close. Looks like we have a Lazy Susan in the corner. Very cute. Love those. So you can get all the way back in there. Lots of storage space. The tile is really pretty. We have a pot filler for filling up your SpaghettiOs. They do have so many different options for the hood vent too. We have an option for a microwave right here. Or you can do it above the stove. I've even had some clients where we put the outlet in the pantry. This one has a pull-out trash can down here. Wish I had one of those in my house. So if you actually look up this floor plan online, there is no pantry. However, we decided a pantry was definitely needed. So this is our pantry. And it's not just any pantry, it's a walk-in pantry. Look at that. We disguised it. Okay, so we made it look like cabinet. It's just an ordinary cabinet. Well, bam, it's not. It's a big pantry. A lot of shelving all the way around. Very, very nice. I love that. One more time. Big old pantry. Then we come back out into the kitchen. And they're soft closed too. So no slamming doors, guys. But look at that. made it look just like a cabinet, secret pantry. You will not find that on the floor plan, as the floor plan has this as the laundry room. And right over here where the pantry is now, you would have a utility sink and a cabinet, I believe. And if you do want that option instead, you can do that option. We also turned this L-shaped, well, we turned this porch into an L-shaped porch. Originally, it's not an L shape, so it doesn't have this L part on it. I guess it's like a little mud room with another door going outside. It just felt kind of redundant to have two front doors, but you can do that. Back over here, we have two bedrooms. So we have a bedroom here. Let's do a quick little view, little walk-in closet. Air return right here. They did give you some more storage instead of just walling that up or sheetrocking it up like they do most of the time. We have another bedroom here. You can stretch this house out for additional square footage. If you want bigger bedrooms, they can do that. Here is the main guest bathroom. Again, we got transom window. Vanity. It's pretty big. And I'm going to run you guys over to the master bedroom. Your water heater is right under the stairs. Huge master bedroom. We got tray ceiling. Okay. Give y'all a good visual of this. Bedroom is pretty big. Try to show the floors because normally you can tell a little bit better by the floor, but she's real cute. We got master closet right here. There we go. Double racks, which I love. Single rack over there. Little cubbies for shoes. You can upgrade the shelving. There's supposed to be a barn door here that we are missing. We got to get it. Huge vanity. One of my favorite things about these types of vanities are these little square drawers. I don't know why. I just think they're cute. It gives it like character. I guess some character. And we have our big soaking tub. We kind of catty cornered it to give it a little more character, I guess, per se. You have really cool lighting in here. We don't have any light bulbs yet, newly set up. We are at Town and Country Homes in Hartsville. And toilet is in its own little room right here. And we have this big old shower. Rain head coming out of the ceiling. We also have the wand, little place for soaps. It's on a, we call it a barn door. It's a glass barn door. We do have real tile in here. Very, very cute. It's huge. It's pretty big. So there's that. Very beautiful bathroom. And we're going to go upstairs. All right. So they're not finished upstairs. Still debating on whether or not we're going to finish the whole thing upstairs because we did put it on permanent foundation. So she is staying for a while. But nonetheless, this does give you idea for what you could put up here. We could do a bedroom on this side. They did do Trek shield decking, which is, you can look it up. It's really, really insulated. You can do an attic above the second story, so you can do the pull downstairs. You can still put your Christmas tree up there and whatnot. Got a bonus room right here, but our initial plans are for there to be a bedroom against that wall over there, living room right here, bedroom on the other side of the stairs right there, and then this is like a bonus room, which you could do another little bedroom or an office. You can see the construction if you're construction savvy. They are built like tanks. They are not going anywhere. We did double windows right here, which you can move around. So like if this was going to be a bedroom, maybe we slide the double windows down for the living room area, or we can put them on the back. You can do single windows, you can do double. I think you can do triple, different stuff like that. But this is the upstairs of the Sparden. And stay tuned because I will be showing you some designs at the end. Hold on. I'm just going to show y'all some basic floor plans. This is the upstairs that we did for a client. They wanted an unfinished attic space area, living room, bathroom, one bedroom. They did add 2 more windows on the back side for the living room to have some natural lighting. Just left this as it's finished, but just as a little room. Then we had this couple, they did the same thing with the window. They also added one for this to be a bedroom. They did decide not to do closets. That's why you don't see closets in these bedrooms, because they didn't want them, I guess, classified as bedrooms for county purposes. Made this a little office. And then I have one more to show you guys. This couple wanted basically a mother-in-law suite, except they're going to be the ones that are upstairs because the mother-in-law didn't want to climb the stairs. So they have this huge big old bedroom in the middle, living room on the end with a bunch of natural lighting. They needed a little office space upstairs, their closet, and the master bath was just replicated from downstairs to upstairs. So it just goes to show you can kind of redesign and play around with this as much as you like until you get it how you want it to be. And that wraps up our tour of the Sparden by Nationwide Home Builders. Now this home is currently sitting at about 2268 square feet, 3 bedroom, 2.5 baths downstairs. And while this home is already super impressive just being a 1-story, you do have that option for the 2nd story, which brings you at a total of almost 3,600 square feet, 35 and some change, giving you an option for 2 to 3 more bedrooms, a living room, 1 to 2 more bathrooms, and you have that bonus room. If you didn't want a bedroom, you can make it an office, a little game room, whatever you want to turn it into as you would design the upstairs yourself. So without further ado, I will put your ballpark estimate for her. And keep in mind that this is subject to change based on location, construction wants, how you're going to finish upstairs, if you're doing the upstairs, if you're not doing the upstairs, how fancy you want to go with it, all these different things. But this should give you a good idea. It's also subject to time of me recording. So if it's 5 years from now, who the heck knows? Nobody does. So if you're looking for a home that grows with you, this one might just be the one. And I'm curious to know, please comment below, would you finish the upstairs? Would you get it and save it for later and do it on your own later down the road? Would you delete the upstairs altogether? How do we feel about 2-story, all the square space? Necessary, not necessary? Comment below, let me know. And if you want to see more homes just like this one, find me on other social accounts or get my free ebook on home ownership and what lenders are looking for. I will put that link right below for you guys. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so I can catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.